Hello, in front of me I've got EMPORIA Smart 5. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. At the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Display, and right here we've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change brightness level of the display manually. Then you can enable or disable night light and also schedule it. Then you can enable or disable adaptive brightness, change wallpaper, enable or disable dark theme, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, screensaver, and then you can change font size. Next, you can change screen color mode between standard, vivid, cool color and customized. Then you can change lock screen display, where you can set lock screen notifications, add users from lock screen and lock screen message. In the end, you can manage cast functions and printing function. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.